What is up everyone, how you? In this video I will show you how you can set custom ringtone or how you can change ringtone in Realme 8s. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to set custom ringtone or to change ringtone in Realme 8s or 8s 5G, simply first of all you just need to open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. So first just open settings and then go to ringtone settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.